guys, it's Lizzie and Pete from the Academy team, and we are here to show you our very best Black Friday deals. So let's get started.
The Canon R6 II is a fantastic camera for filmmakers and photographers alike, offering 6K video, 24 megapixels, amazing ISO performance, and subject detection and eye tracking that's one of the best on the market. And this year for Black Friday is going to be the biggest saving ever.
If you're looking for a camera that will take your content creation to a whole new level, then look no further than the Sony ZV-E10. It's 24 megapixels with 4K 30 video and features Sony's beloved vlogging specific functions such as bokeh switch and product showcase. It's also an interchangeable lens camera, so you can chop and change to suit your creativity. This Black Friday, we have an incredible bundle for you, which includes the camera, the lens, the Bluetooth grip, a microphone, and a memory card, so you can really hit the ground running.
The Nikon Z6 Mark III, with its partially stacked backside illuminated 24 megapixel sensor, delivers premium performance for photographers and videographers, allowing 6K raw video as well as 120 frames per second still shooting. It's an amazing deal this Black Friday.
If you've been looking for a small and lightweight camera that still packs a punch feature-wise, then say hello to the Fujifilm X-T50. It's 40 megapixels, 6.2K 30 video, AI-based subject detection, and it's packed full of Fujifilm's much-loved film simulation modes. This Black Friday, it is something you don't want to miss.
For you stargazers and astro lovers, we've got the Unistellar Odyssey Pro on a brilliant deal this Black Friday. Paired with the Unistellar app, it's got the Starfinder function. You can also pop in store for a full demo in Oxford Street on the 7th or 20th of December.
If you're hiking, camping, or bird watching, you're probably going to need a lightweight, rugged, waterproof pair of binoculars, and the Nikon ProStaff series are fantastic for just that. With a variety of magnifications and some great savings, this is one not to miss out on this Black Friday.
The GoPro Hero 13, durable and rugged, waterproof down to 10 meters, now shoots 5.3K video, as well as 120 frames 4K video, 27 megapixel stills, and is a steal this Black Friday.
This is the Instax Mini Lee Play, and it has to be one of the cutest instant cameras around. Now, it's not only a camera, it can also be used as a printer for your smartphone. Once it's connected, you can then select your images and print off these really cool little instant prints. This is a must for the party season.
To go with all those camera deals, you're going to need some accessories, and we've got up to half price on some of our top lines from Vanguard and Hoya filters.
Take to the skies this Black Friday with our deals on drones, including this little guy, the DJI Neo. It's small, lightweight at only 135 grams and records 4K ultra stabilized video. With its palm, takeoff and recording, it's also a whole lot of fun.
Looking to take your photography further? Jessops Academy is just what you need. We offer a range of courses, workshops and experiences, all with £20 off this Black Friday, including our motorsports, portrait lighting and wildlife experiences.
If you've been looking for a sign to update your kit, then here it is. This Black Friday, you can get up to 10% extra on your trade-ins, whether you do that in-store or online. So there you have it. Those are some of our very best deals, but there are, of course, loads more. So be sure to check out jessops.com or head into your nearest store. And that is it from us. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you back here this time next year with some more deals. Bye.